Hello guys, welcome back to this series on C programming. Today we will learn the break statement in C. So the break statement ends the loop immediately. The break statement is almost used with the if-else statement inside the loop. So how the break statement is working? For example, the while loop. Here we have the while, the test expression, and here we have the if-else statement. Inside we will use the break statement. So if the condition to break is satisfied, the compiler will execute the break statement and will take the code out of the while. So if we have here code, inside the while will not be executed and the test expression will not be verified, immediately the code will come after the end of the while. Same thing for the do while statement. We have here do, we have here some code to execute, and we have here if that we will use the break statement. So if the condition to break is satisfied, the compiler will take the code out of the do while and will continue in this stage. So this code will not be executed. All codes inside the do while will not be executed. So the loop immediately will be finished. Same thing for the for. We have here the for expression, we have here the code, and here we have the condition to break with the if statement. If this condition is satisfied to true, so the code will take the program until here in this stage and all this code will not be executed. This is the idea of break. So to resume, break will end the loop. And as well, we will go to the first exercise in which we will understand better how this break statement is working. In this exercise, we will calculate the sum of maximum of 10 numbers. If the user enters a negative number, the loop terminates. So the first thing here, we have to ask the user to enter number after we will do the control. So we are going to use for loop, so E. After we have for E is equal to 1, E less or equal to 10, and we have E++. Printf, we will ask the user to enter number. Please enter a number. Scanf, we have %d, address of number. Now we have to declare this number. Now the number entered will be controlled if it's negative or not by using if. So if number is less to 0, what we are going to do? We are going to use break statement. So the user will enter a number. It will be controlled if it's negative. If this number is negative, the loop will be finished and the compiler will execute the code in this stage. If there is no code, the program will be finished. If there is code, the code will be executed. So here, if this number is not negative, what we have to do? We have to add this number to our sum variables, because the idea of this exercise is to calculate the sum of 10 numbers. So here we need another variables. Now we have to add this number to the sum variables. After that, what do we have to do? When the for is finished, we have to just print the value of the sum. So sum is equal to %d, and we have sum. Now let's execute this program. Please enter a number, for example 1, 1, 2, 2. Now let me enter a negative number. As you can see, when I enter a negative number, the loop for is finished. Even before finish, the 10 iteration, because here our stop condition when it's equal to 10, but here I enter a negative number, so the loop will be stopped and the sum is displayed. The sum is 6. Now let me try to enter the first negative number. So for example here -6. The loop is finished and the sum is 0. I hope you understand the break statement. Please leave us a like or a comment if you like our video. If you have any question, you can ask us by a comment. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel to be notified for the next video. Thank you so much.